Why does lightning zigzag across the sky? You'd think lightning would take the fastest route, a straight line. But almost every lightning bolt twists like a giant crack in the sky. Why? Because lightning doesn't actually know where to go at first. Inside a storm cloud, massive electrical energy builds up. When the voltage gets strong enough, the air stops acting like an insulator. Then an invisible electric path starts moving toward the ground. It's called a leader, but the air isn't uniform. Some areas are warmer, wetter, dustier, and electricity keeps testing different directions, searching for the easiest path. So the bolt moves in tiny jumps, changing direction over and over again. That's why lightning zigzags. And the moment that path finally connects to the ground, a gigantic electrical discharge explodes through it almost instantly. So what you see isn't random chaos, it's electricity solving a pathfinding problem in real time. And the entire route is created faster than a blink. Subscribe to learn more.